Today's topic for discussion is plant disease symptom, and today's symptom for discussion is rust. Rust, it is a type of symptom which is caused by several types of fungi in their respective host plant. Let us see all the details of rust. The members of Uridinales cause rust disease in plants. The rust symptoms appear as a small pustule of the spores on lower or upper surface or stem of the host plant. The rust pustules may be brown or black or red or yellow or dark brown in color. That depends on the fungal genus and the interaction with the host plant. The pustules are naked which break down the epidermis of the host and get exposed. The list of fungi causing rust disease of different plants is very large, and the fungi which causes rust disease is Melamspora, Puccinia, Euromasis. Even albigo causes white rust disease. It is not the member of Uridinales, and there are several fungi which causes rust disease. Initially, the mycelium of the pathogen remains in between the cells. Such mycelium is known as intercellular mycelium, and this mycelium absorbs food material by sending Haustoria into the host cell, and later on the mycelium enters into the inside the cell. That means it becomes intracellular, and such rust pustules are formed outside the external to the infected part of the plant. Okay, next. These are some examples given here. Rust diseases of plants. Wheat rust disease, which is caused by Puccinia graminis. Rust of coffee, it is caused by Hemilia vestatrix. And rust of grapes caused by Phacospora chronatriformis. Rust of fig caused by Ceratolium pisci. Rust of asparagus caused by Puccinia asparagi. Rust of sunflower caused by Puccinia helianthi. These are the photographs of different types of rust diseases. Rust of fig is shown to the left side. To the middle, it is the rust disease of bajra, and to the right side, white rust disease of mustard is shown. Types of rust on the basis of color. Orange rust of wheat, it is caused by Puccinia recondita. Stripe rust disease of wheat caused by Puccinia striformis. White rust of mustard caused by Albigo candida. Black rust of wheat caused by Puccinia graminis. Yellow rust of bajra caused by Puccinia paniceti. Brown rust of wheat caused by Puccinia recondita form species TTC. These are the rust types of rust on the basis of color of the pustule. Okay, next. Let us see details of the yellow rust. The infected leaf of bajra shows several orange, yellow colored, minute, slightly raised pustules. The uridial and telial stages of pathogen occur on bajra leaf. The secondary host of pathogen is brinjal. The pycnidial and axial cup develops on brinjal. The uridial stage of bajra leaf represented by numerous slightly raised pustules. Each pustule consists of cluster of brown uridospores. Okay, and the teletospores occur on leaf sheath as well as on stem in the form of blackish teletosori. Teletosori are triangular in shape that consist of cluster of bicellular teletospores. The rust pustules occur on both surfaces of bajra leaf. Initially, infection is seen on upper half portion of the leaf. Next. Black stem rust. The rust appears in the form of elongated reddish brown pustules or black pustules, primarily on the leaves, followed by leaf sheath and stem. Thus, the stem is more severely attacked. The uridinia frequently merge with each other and soon burst, exposing the brown powder of the uridinospores. Another kind of pustules, talia, develop later in the same sorus or independently. Next. Stripe rust. The iridophora occur on lower surface of the leaf. In case of severe infection, affected plants show pustules on leaf sheath, stalk and glooms. Due to infection, long chlorotic streaks are formed on the leaf on which iridophora are arranged. The iridophora or pustules are fresh lemon yellow in color, and they are the fully mature iridophora rupture the epidermis due to its growing pressure and shade of iridophora. The teletophora occur late in the season, which are subepidermal. Okay, next. Brown rust. The rust pustules occur on leaf or leaf sheath. The pustules are randomly scattered on the undersurface of the leaf. The fertile mycelial mat produce cluster of iridospores. The growing pressure of iridospore that creates pressure on the epidermis, and the epidermis get ruptured. The brown colored iridospores are exposed. Okay, the random distribution of iridophora in yellow color are the distinguishing features of brown rust disease of wheat. Next. Orange rust. The symptoms of pathogen are visible on lower surface of the leaf in the form of orange colored pustules which are irregularly increased, and many pustules coil sac to form a large affected region. The disease symptoms are restricted to the leaf only. Very rarely the shoots get infected. The photosynthetic area reduced which directly affect the yield of the plant. The pustules are hypophilous, crowdedly appeared. Gradually they get mixed and large areas are developed. The leaves of the all age groups are susceptible for the infection. Next. White rust. At the initial stage, the affected leaf shows small chlorotic spots which are randomly scattered on the leaf. At maturity, at the region of chlorotic spots, small glossy white pustules are produced in concentric ring. The pustules are visible on the lower surface of the leaf. The rust pustules coil sac to form a large areas or cover up most of the region of the leaf surface. On fully mature rusty lesion, dark colored oospores are produced which gives grainy appearance. The infected leaf dry up and fall off. The disease affects the total yield of the crop to a great extent. The white rust of crucifer, it is caused by Albugo candida. It is a fungal pathogen.